Hello YouTube and welcome to my tutorial on how to get free Call of Duty points on Call of Duty mobile game. So for this tutorial I'll be using my iPhone 7, but I'm pretty sure that it works on any Android or iOS device. Doesn't matter if you have a tablet or a phone, and a rooted or jailbroken device is not required. My iPhone 7 is not jailbroken. So for this tutorial, we will be using Call of Duty Points Adder. This is the game and this is the modded application to add free points to your account. And the way you get this app is you go to your browser and go to tweakapps.org. Go to this website. It's tweakapps.org. Open this website and you can see right here it says click to download Call of Duty Points Adder. So just click on it. It will say that you have to download it. Click download. And it will take a few seconds for it to check if your device is compatible with the application, and it should be. If you encounter any problems, just update your operational system. Mine is the latest iOS. And there's the final step. It will say following complete instructions of 2 offers below to download Call of Duty Mobile COD Points Adder. So for this to work, to receive the application, the Call of Duty Points Adder, you have to complete 2 offers from this list. But I would recommend you complete all the offers that you see, because usually that works better. So right now I have 5 offers that I have to complete, and since I have already downloaded the app, I'm going only to complete a few just to show how easy it is to complete an offer. So if you see 1 offer, complete only 1 offer. If you see 2 free, complete as many offers as you see, and this process takes you like a few minutes. So what you do is you click on an offer, read the instructions. So for this offer I have to download and install this app, then open it for 30 seconds. I will do that right now. I will download the app. Actually, I'll download 2 apps and I'll show you how easy it is to complete them. Another one says they have to download and open for 30 seconds too. Boom, 2 apps are downloading, and it's very simple. Even if you have like 4 to 5 apps, just complete every app that you see there. And Fingerprint has downloaded. I'm going to open it for 30 seconds. And to make sure that it counts as a offer completed, you have to interact with the app. So when the app loads, just if it's a game, keep clicking game stuff, or buttons if it's an app. Some offers may have different instructions, like complete a tutorial, so make sure that you read what it says when you are completing an offer. So 30 seconds have almost passed and we already completed 1 offer. And I'm going to complete this offer right here, which I have to open for 30 seconds too. Very simple. Just going to click on buttons and stuff, and you can uninstall these apps after you have received the Call of Duty Mobile Points Adder app, so you can remove other apps that you do not need. Okay, almost 30 seconds have passed. I'm going to wait a few seconds more. Boom, 2 applications done in like a minute. So the way you complete these offers, again, you have to click on find an offer. You can start from the top and you click on an offer and it will say the instructions right here. So for example, this Pop Slots game, you have to install, open and complete level 18. So it's very simple. You have to reach the level 18, and it's probably a little bit longer offer, but I mean, you get free Call of Duty points, so it doesn't matter if it takes a few minutes or what. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to get free Call of Duty mobile points. Again, to download the app, just go to tweakapps.org. Let's see if I can get back to the home page, and there it is, first app. Right there, Call of Duty Mobile Points, COD Points Adder. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.